Hello, this is Captain Tinsley,
And Salty Scotty.
Salty Abandon, and we are currently in Fort Pierce, Florida, and we are here to look at a new boat, a new boat, and it is an island packet, and my island packet 27 is totaled, and a lot of emotions up and down with that. I started to fight it, but then I did not. I decided not to, and tried to take this opportunity to upgrade to a slightly bigger boat. So we're going to look at it tomorrow. Oh, we're actually going to look at it today, but the survey is going to be tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So I'm having a full survey. She said it'll take about 6 hours, and a diesel survey. So it's going to be thoroughly checked out. So we're probably just going to go today and just look at the outside. Nobody's meeting us there or anything. We're not going to go inside the boat. But I'm really nervous about it. I've been talking about that with Scott. Right?
Yeah, been a little worried about if it's ours, if it's the one meant for us.
I want it to be okay. I know it's going to need a lot of, electronics to get it the way I like, with navigation, power management, and everything. I'm just hoping that everything else checks out. I know that the chain plates, the internal chain plates that go along with an island packet, Hayden Cochran, Island Packet Guru, has been guiding me.
Hello, Hayden.
Yes, shout out to Hayden Cochran and Radine. They've been very supportive as I go through this emotional roller coaster.
And if you need any help with island packets, they're definitely the folks to talk to.
He's actually a broker and he concentrates on island packets, but this was a for sale by owner, or is a for sale by owner. But we are under contract and contingency for survey and a sea trial. So
if everything checks out, it's ours. Yes.
Yeah, and this past week was very difficult. I went and got everything. I made a few trips to go get everything off of Salty Abandon. My next boat is also going to be called Salty Abandon. I did not want to give up that name. It's not going to be Salty Abandon 2. It's going to be Salty Abandon. So Scott went with me the first trip to the boat, and we got almost 99% out of everything inside. And so I was loading up boxes, and we're in the most inconvenient slip at the wharf marina. So Scott had to load up, help.
That was a mule.
Yeah, he loaded up the carts and took everything to the truck, and then I went back a couple of times, and
I didn't realize how emotional it was going to be. We've made a lot
even
of memories.
For him.
We've made a lot of memories on that boat. Yeah,
even
a lot of traveling. So it was hard leaving her behind.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about why it was total?
Yeah, the adjuster had an expert kind of weigh in on my quotes that I got, and his opinion on all the. I got a quote from the rigger, I got a quote from a gel coat person, and from a very nice fella. I did that video on the teak, and it came in high because he would have to come in from out of town and accommodations and all that stuff. So he would have done a beautiful job. The expert that knew island packets knows that those chain plates are embedded in the hull, and those are original 1988. I had them reinforced in 2016. The boat did take a beating.
On the chain plate.
Right there on that side, it may have been fine, but honestly, I started thinking those chain plates do need to be taken out. It's a big event. You got to take all the cabinetry out inside. They have to cut into the fiberglass, take the old chain plates out, put new ones in, glass it up, put everything back. So I started thinking, maybe take this opportunity, as sad as it is, to go to a larger boat. So I know we're kind of not telling all the details here, but I'm hoping this is the boat, and we're staying in this nice place. It's called Road Runner. What is it?
Road Runner Resort.
Travel Resort. It's a lot of like RVs that come here, but they also have these little suites They're like they're like tiny little mobile homes made into permanent structures. So
We're camping kind of, but it's cute. It's clean.
yeah, it's like it's better than a hotel room. We can park right out front.
We're actually minutes away from seeing our possible new boat, so we're both pretty excited.
And scared.
When we finish this recording, we're heading over to look at the boat. So
Yeah.
there'll be a follow-up on what we think.
Yeah, I'm scared. I want it to be it. So, appreciate all the support.
Hoping to make a lot of new memories on a new boat.
Yeah, be an adjustment, being bigger and all. But anyway, that's it. I think, should we go ahead and post this now?
I don't know. It's up to you. Salty Abandoned. Out.